Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well. One thing for certain, two things for sure. Liz loves a bust down middle part. It's just this unit by Wiggins hair. If you guys were a fan of this unit that I rocked in 2024, this is from the same company. I tried their curly unit and I really loved it, so of course when they reached out again, I was definitely going to try looser texture, right? So this actually arrived with waves in it. I'm someone that likes to always wash my hair when it arrives, so that's what I did. If you're someone that likes a unit that's already customized for you, then of course you're gonna like this because this already comes customized. All you need to do is basically install the wig onto your hair. Yeah, when it arrived, it came in this box, which obviously boldly says Wiggins hair. Inside you have the unit, which is nicely wrapped. You have a few other goodies. There's the headband, which helps to melt your hair. You've got the comb, the duster bag for you to keep your hair, which is always a bonus, especially when you've got quite a few. At least you know where the hair is from, so this is handy. Inside I believe there was like hair bands, and I want to believe there was like lashes. For some reason, they're always chucking a random pair of lash. So this is how it arrived, and once I washed it, this is what the unit was looking like. I can't lie, Wiggins is definitely one of my top 3 out of the many companies that I've tried. Yeah, the quality feels really good. I'm not someone that does the melting cap method. Literally within 20 minutes maximum, your hair will be done. Very easy. So if you want to see how I installed this unit, then of course carry on watching. So this is what the wig is looking like once I've popped it on my head. I don't really like a heavy hold, so got to be fine with me. I'm someone that likes to whip this thing off when I get home. Start off with the sprays always. Going to spray it where I want the wig to be placed. As I always say, you can always work in sections. So for it to get tacky, I'm going to use the blow dryer. Again. Place the lace where you want it to lay. You place and press down. So I'm just using my fingers to lightly press the lace, and then I'm going to blow dry. So next step for me is to spray the lace, and that gives it an extra hold. So spray. All of you that are able to do this while you've got makeup on, you lot are magicians, because me, never. So on the lace, and I don't know if you can see, it's helping for it to melt. You want to make sure you're careful when brushing those little hairs away. Use a comb or whatever you prefer to use. Just going on top of the lace. Next, I'm going to blow dry. Always use the comb or any comb that you have, and you want to press the lace, and this is going to help let it melt a bit more. What I like about this, it doesn't go all the way down here. Someone that has really thick sideburns, sometimes it can be very tricky. It ends up here. Next, I'm going to take some mousse to help lay this. I'm going for bone straight. As always, all the products that I use will be mentioned and shared in the description bar below. Now I'm just going to adjust the part. You can always leave it as so. You can always customize everything to your preference. Hopefully this is dead in the center. Then I'm going to blow dry. So to make sure this stays where I've laid it, I'm going to use this wax stick throughout the hair. It also helps with flyaways. Then I like to do a part like here. Around by here is perfect. And then comb this part back, if that makes sense. And the wax stick. Next, I'm going to use some heat protectant and run that throughout this hair. And then we're going to blow dry. So next, I'm going to take my Wiggins headband and I'm going to put that on my hairline, and what that does is going to help it give that extra melt. Of course, it's all down to preference if you want to pluck the hairline even more. I feel as time goes by, your hairline starts getting thinner anyways, but you can do so if you prefer that more like extremely natural look. So now this is snug. All I'm going to do is carry on blow drying. you can see, I'm just using the hot comb to flatten the hair. So now what I'm going to do is basically straighten the hair. I like my hair bone straight. You guys know this already. So before I straighten this hair, I'm going to add a bit of serum. Try not to add too much so that it's not stringy. And then run that throughout this hair. As you can see, this has like natural curls slash waves in it. If you're not following my channel already, or if you're not familiar, I'm definitely someone that loves a middle bust down straight. I've taken out my earrings because they were just in the way bothering me. Then I give it one last blow dry and then I'll straighten it. And now that's done, I can just simply start straightening this hair. Ooh. This definitely feels nice. It's definitely flowy. Apply that in a smaller section. Brush and then straighten. Yeah, this hair is lush. I mean, I expect no different from Wiggins' hair. But yeah, when I straighten the rest of my hair, I like this. Yeah, this is what we like. This hair is luscious. It's been grown and sexy. I'm loving it. I'm happy when I straightened it. It didn't disappoint. Love, love, love that I was able to get it as I would normally wear, you know. But if you want to see how the hair holds up, of course, make sure you're following me on socials. I'm not just a one and done kind of person. I'm going to wear the hair for a period of time. I'm going to try and keep this as long as possible. In future videos, you're going to see how it holds up with a curl. In terms of length, this is long. I want to say this is about 22 inches. Or probably even 24 to be fair. But I'm going to leave the exact details on this unit in the description bar below. So everything about this unit will be in there. This summer we're going to inject some colour. But I'm not too sure what to go for. But yeah, this feels like good quality, I must say. But yeah, I hope you guys are good and you're enjoying your week. And yeah, if you have any video requests, of course, let me know.
Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.